Good morning, dear students. I am Sanjeev Dalai, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department, Bose, Cuttack. So, today's topic is your renewable energy systems second chapter. In the previous class, हमें देखते कि introduction to renewable energy. That means if you go through the syllabus, then you will see that your first chapter is that introduction to renewable energy. Second is your solar energy. Third is your wind energy. Fourth is biomass energy, and fifth one is other renewable energy. Other renewable energy, we have already seen the different types of renewable energy, different types of renewable energy sources in the previous class. Other renewables are tidal, you may say geothermal energy or hydro energy. These are the other renewable energy sources. This is the last chapter. But in the previous class, we have completed the first chapter. But one thing is that very important thing is that what are the questions from the first chapter. आमे देखिबा कि को questions आमे face करिबा बा को question we will find out in the semester. Okay, so first chapter, first point I have already told you that the environmental consequence of the fossil fuel. That means you may find a question. What are the long question? What are the consequences of burning of fossil fuel? So you know that the fossil environmental hazards are there, health problems are there, aquatic life problems, acid rain. So these are the points of or what are these are the effects of the burning of fossil fuel. एटा गोटे क्वेश्चन हे परिबो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. आ गोटे हम कहि परिबा इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. एटा भी गोटे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन हे परिबो. ता देरे हमें एडवांटेजेस कोन अछि हम सेटा तांको कहिबा बा सेटा आंसर रे हमें लिखिबा कि these are the advantages or these are the importance of the renewable energy. Then if you will see the short questions, then short questions you can questions can ask that the what is called a acid rain, what is called a sustainable design, or what is called a sustainable development. So these may be the short questions in the semester. Okay, but today our topic is that solar energy. So this solar energy is your second chapter. Okay, so in the solar energy I will today describe you about some important things. That is, we will go to the index. First one is your introduction. We will see the introduction of the solar energy. Then solar photovoltaic system operating principle. That means how the solar energy is converted into the electricity, or what are the equipments are used to convert the heat energy to the electrical energy. So here is the solar photovoltaic system. तार आमे operating principle देखिबा केमिति से convert करूची कोन कोन equipment लागिची. Then third रे maximum power point tracking. Okay, so maximum power point, this is a very important question, that is MPPT. It is always asked in your semester. What is MPPT? What is its concept? What are the problems or what are the advantages of MPPT? We will see that one by one. Then photovoltaic cell concept. That means we will see the module, solar cell, solar array, solar panel. What are the solar cell? Which type of cell is called solar cell? Then which is called solar module? So we will see this. Then next one is classification of energy sources. It is already in the first chapter. We have already covered it. That means the types of the renewable energy sources. Okay. Then extraterrestrial and terrestrial radiation. That means solar sun नु जो radiation आसुची ताकू दीटा टाइप रे डिवाइड करा आइची. अलगा अलगा बहुत गुडे टाइप अछि ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अलगा अलगा टर्म को नेकी तार डिवाइडेशन हेची. किंतु एठी गोटे टर्म को नेकी डिवाइडेशन केमती हेची कि हमें को केते डिस्टेंस जाके बा को जगह रे रेडिएशन टा पडुची तार ऊपर डिपेंड करी कि तार डिवाइडेशन टा हेची. आ तार ना होची extraterrestrial or terrestrial radiation. We will see that. The next one is different types of angles are there in the solar energy. Different types of angle. That means azimuth angle, zenith angle, and hour angle. We will see the definition. Questions asked in the semester. What is hour angle? What is zenith angle? What is azimuth angle? एमानकर definition पचारिबो. Only 2 marks रो question तुमको लिखिबार अछि. Then next solar collectors. That means आमे जो कहूचे कि सोलार एनर्जी रु आणिकी आम कन्वर्ट करुचे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रे ओके तो से जो आनिबा जिनसटा आनिबा माने आम तो हाथ में आनिबानी ना ताकू तो आमको आनिबार जिनसटा जोटा सेटा हला हमर कलेक्टर जी ताकू अब्जर्व करुची से सोलार एनर्जी बा सोलार रेडिएशन जी आसुची ताकू जे कलेक्ट करुची बा अब्जर्व करुची तार ना हला सोलार कलेक्टर तो तार बहुत गुडा टाइप आम देखि परिबा ओके तो तार गोटे गोटे की आम पढ़ा डिफरेंट टाइप्स आर देयर फॉर द कलेक्टर्स सो वी विल गो थ्रू वन बाय वन what are their definition, what are their working principle, their construction okay then next application रे आम देखिबा सोलार एनर्जी को आम को एप्लिकेशन रे यूज करूचे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एप्लिकेशन देयर तो सब विषय आम टिके टिके जानिबा then last one is your conclusion we will go to the conclusion okay so first one is your introduction means we all know that introduction रे आम कोन पढिबा कि इंट्रोडक्शन रे आम देखिबा सोलार एनर्जीटा केमिति इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी रे कन्वर्ट होउची बा काहा को आम सोलार एनर्जी बोली कहूचे सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट इट इज द रेडिएशन फ्रॉम द सन दैट मीन्स सन नु जो रेडिएशन आसुची सोलार एनर्जी आम काहा को कहूचे सन नु जो रेडिएशन आसुची सेही रेडिएशन को आम कहूचे सोलार एनर्जी ओके देन नेक्स्ट वन प्रोड्यूस हीट यूजिंग केमिकल रिएक्शन दैट मीन्स कोन आमे से जो आसुची रेडिएशन से फर्स्ट कौन कन्वर्ट होची हीट एनर्जी रे देन हीट एनर्जी रू से कन्वर्ट होची इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी तो सही जिनसटा आम कहि परिबा प्रोड्यूस हीट यूजिंग केमिकल रिएक्शन देन आफ्टर हीट प्रोडक्शन से कौन करिवो जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूजिंग सोलार पीवी सेल तो से हीट एनर्जी रू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कन्वर्ट करे आम एमती कहबानी कि सोलार एनर्जी रू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रे कन्वर्ट होची तो आम जदि प्रैक्टिकली देखिबा आगो सोलार एनर्जीटा कन्वर्ट होची कोथरे सोलार एनर्जी हमर कन्वर्ट होची हीट एनर्जी रे देन से हीट एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रे कन्वर्ट करिया पई जो जिनसटा हम यूज करछे सेटा हला सोलार सेल तो सेति पई आमे सब बेले फर्स्ट जतबेले सोलार एनर्जी पढ़िबा आगो सोलार सेल काहा को कहूचे तार वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल आगो जानिबा तो सेटा मेन थिंग तो सेई थ्रू जदि आमे जानि देले से केमती कोन वर्क करछ तार प्रिंसिपल कोन देन वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द हाउ सोलार एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड टू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी ओके सो हियर इज द सोलार फोटोवोल्टाइक सिस्टम बा आको आमे शॉर्ट रे कहि परिबा PV system okay by using this system we will convert the heat energy into the electrical energy the heat energy कोठु आसिला solar energy okay so this is the diagram of a single solar cell तो solar cell कथा ही हमें कहीं क्या को पढुचे because solar cell is the first building block of a सो पीवी सिस्टम जो पीवी सिस्टम आम लिखीचे तार जदि फास्ट थिंग किसी देखा बा सबुठू यूनिट एलिमेंट जहाँ को आम कह मेन एलिमेंट बा बेसिक एलिमेंट कहीपर सो दिस इज द सोलार सेल तो सही सोलार सेल विषय आम जाना मीन्स सोलार फोटोवोल्टाइक सिस्टम इज द कन्वर्सन ऑफ सोलार एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तो से केमिति करूची सोलार सेल तो जमती कि आम जानिचे बेसिक इलेक्ट्रोनिक्स रे वी ऑलरेडी स्टडीड दैट देयर इज ए पीवी दैट मीन्स पीवी सेल तो पीवी सेल रे जो सेलटा यूज करछे हमें सेटे हमको कौन दरकार गोटे पीएन जंक्शन टाइप रो तार कंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छी से सोलार सेल रो पीएन जंक्शन टाइप रो तार कंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छी तो पीएन जंक्शन हम ताको काहे की कहूचे बा पीएन हम काहा को कहबा हमर गोटे प्योर सेमीकंडक्टर थाए एंड अनदर इज योर impure semiconductor if we add impurities to the pure semiconductor then it will form a impure semiconductor so impurities are what impurities means pentavalent impurity or trivalent impurity so pentavalent impurity is you can say it as arsenic then if we go through the trivalent impurities then you can say example is boron if we will add this pentavalent impurity arsenic if we will add to the any pure semiconductor then it will form a n type semiconductor and if you will add boron material to the pure semiconductor then it will form the p type semiconductor okay so amuku ethi solar cell ku construct kariba pai to construct the solar cell we need a silicon material we always use silicon material so silicon material we will make it as a pn junction okay so first of all we think see the diagram this is the p type silicon and this is the n type silicon that means p type silicon and this is n type silicon that means we will always lower part is your p type silicon and upper part is your n type silicon okay so silicon why it is written silicon because we are using the silicon material for the solar cell okay so here is the light energy this is the nickel plating load and these are the electrons, these are the holes. Okay, so what is its working? Okay, red one is your hole, black one is your electron. Positive is hole, or positive charge particle is hole, negative charge particle is electron. तो आम ये देखा जिते लाइट एनर्जी फॉल करुच्ची क्या उपर से सोलार सेल उपर, सोलार सेलटा गोटे आम कौन कहीपर पीएन जंक्शन भाया. तो सेठी से कौन करुच्ची ना सब मन रखी था एन टाइपटा कौन थाए ना थिन थाए एज कंपेयर टू द पी टाइप सिलिकॉन. व्हाई? व्हेन लाइट एनर्जी विल फॉल ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द एन टाइप सिलिकॉन, okay, it will penetrate to the depletion region. So depletion region, what is depletion region? Depletion region is the region produced by the recombination of the positive and negative charge carriers. आम जमती जानिचे pn junction रे this one is your suppose p and this one is your n. In the p type semiconductor there is majority charge carriers are hole, minority charge carriers are electron. But in n type semiconductor majority is electron and minority is holes. So opposite charge attracts each other, we all know that. So p ru जेतबेले कौन हेबे opposite charge means here it is positive charge, so it will move toward the negative charge, and from the n type negative charge will move toward the positive charge. So here in this junction point there will be a recombination of charge particles, that is positive and negative, it will form pairs. So that region is called depletion region. So depletion region we will find the pairs. Seti absence of mobile electrons is absent. That means mobile electron means free electrons is absent. This region is absence of free electrons. So say depletion region रे पहुँचवा पाई light energy को always n type silicon टा thin थाए, p type silicon सेटा सबले thick टिके तारो width टा अधिक थाए. तो सेटा penetrate कला परे it will reach to the junction point of the n type silicon and p type silicon. After that it will break the combined recombination जो होइतिला हमरो कहार p type positive charge और negative charge रो ताको break करिवो. Then it will form the free electrons. Okay, so free electrons will move upward, and here you will see in the solar cell there are conducting bars. Okay, so conducting bars are the path for the flow of electron. Electron of flow पाई जो conduct हमको किसी छोटा path दरकार solar cell ले we have the conducting path. से conducting path रे electron will move. So after falling the light energy पता को कहा जाए photovoltaic हमें कहीं की कहूँचे. Photo means light. When a light will fall, it will create some voltage. So voltage means voltaic. Photo means light energy. So this total is photovoltaic system. So after falling it will reach to the depletion region, it will break the combination of positive and negative charge and it will form the free electrons and it will move towards the n type semiconductor by n type silicon. Then if it will generate some voltage, that is a single cell can generate around 0.5 to 0.6 volt. This much voltage a single solar cell can generate. If we need a larger amount of voltage or a larger amount of current, then we have to connect number of solar cells in series parallel, we will see later. But for a single solar cell, it will generate up to maximum 0.5 to 0.6 volt. Okay, so it will generate this voltage. But to flow the current, we have to connect a load. Here is the load. If you connect a load, for load example, battery, we can use it as for the charging of battery. तो बैटरी चार्ज करने जब आम आपको यूज करवा आम कनेक्ट कले एज ए लोड, तो करंट विल स्टार्ट फ्लो. दैट मीन्स बाय यूजिंग द सोलार सेल वी कन्वर्ट द लाइट एनर्जी. दैट मीन्स जो सोलार रेडिएशन आसिला इट इज कन्वर्टेड टू नाउ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दिस लोड कैन बी एनीथिंग, बैटरी को बल्ब को फैन को, दीज आर द लोड्स. सोर्स लोड वी ऑलरेडी नो. सोर्स मीन्स हु विल गिव द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, लोड मीन्स व्हिच विल कंज्यूम द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. दैट मीन्स लोड अंडर आम मोटर कहीपर, फैन घर डोमेस्टिक रे बा इंडस्ट्रियल जहाँ भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूम कर जो मैंने दे आर कमिंग अंडर द लोड. ओके, इफ विल कनेक्ट एनीथिंग देन इट विल फ्लो, करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू दैट. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स इट इज कन्वर्टेड the heat energy to the electrical energy. So this is your solar cell, basic building block of the solar module. That means you have to always remember the sequence. First one is your solar cell, then second one is your module. After the module you will go to the panel, and after the panel you will go to the array. So you have to remember this sequence. Always start with the cell, then go to module, then to panel, then to array. Okay. So आमे तो जानिले सेल आमे काहको कहूचे बा सेल ले कौन कौन अच्छी आ सेल केमती कन्वर्ट करूची इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को हीट एनर्जी को यूज करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रे केमती कन्वर्ट करूची. तो सोलार सेल पर विल गो टू द मॉड्यूल. तो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड विल गो. हियर यू कैन सी फोटोवोल्टाइक सेल कॉन्सेप्ट. जो सेल आमे कॉन्सेप्ट कहिले जेमती हीट एनर्जी को से कन्वर्ट करूचे सेठी गोटे जिनस लगुच जोटा सोलार सेल आमे कहूचे. सो दिस इज द सोलार सेल. एक्चुअली सोलार सेल मीन्स दिस थिंग, solar cell. Okay, so number of solar cells are there. Solar cells, so this single solar cell will generate 0.5 to 0.6 volt. These are the solar cells and these are the conducting paths. I am saying that these are the conducting paths. Conducting path means these are the path for the flow of electron. Okay, this is the solar cell. Then after the solar cell we will go to the solar module. So here is the solar module. Solar module is an assembly of photovoltaic cell mounted in a framework for installation. That means आमे जदि solar cell को कौन करिबा गोटे photovoltaic cell जो कहिला जो solar cell गोटे रहिला solar cell देखो solar cell गोटे जो रहिला ताकू जदि आमे assembly करिबा assembly माने ताकू सब joint करिबा. So this is a solar cell. If we will join number of solar cell by number of photovoltaic cell, it will form a solar module. So this total is a solar module. Okay. Then we will go for the solar panel. So here is a circuit diagram. You have to understand this. What is actually a solar panel? So we have to make solar modules connected in manner of series and parallel. We already know what is series connection and parallel connection. In case of series connection, they are connected in, here is the one resistor, suppose here is the one resistor, here is the starting point, here is the ending point. Then another resistor starting point will connect it to the ending point. That means opposite ends, starting point of one resistor, ending point of another resistor. Okay. So this is the series connection, and already we know the parallel connection means the similar ends. This is starting ending, another resistor starting ending. So if we will join the similar ends, that means parallel connection. ता माने आमे एटा काहे की पढुचे सीरीज पैरेलल काहे की कहली ना आमे जतले सोलार मॉड्यूल पढी सरले आफ्टर द सोलार मॉड्यूल हमको दरकार सोलार पैनल आमे काहा को कहउचे. तो सोलार सीरीज बा सोलार सेल मॉड्यूल परे मॉड्यूल को जदि आमे सीरीज पैरेलल ले कनेक्ट करिबा, if we need maximum power by the same amount of current, that means सबु सेल same amount of current रे जदि हमको maximum power दरकार ताले आमे सेमान को कोथरे कनेक्ट करिबा सीरीज रे. काहे कि ना आमे जानिचे सीरीज केस रे सबु सेल ले same current will flow. Okay, but in parallel connection, if we need maximum amount of power in same voltage, then we will connect the solar cells in parallel connection. That means we all know that in case of parallel connection, the voltage remains same of each cell. Okay. So these are the connections for the construction of the solar panel. That means solar modules will connect in a series or parallel connection to form a solar module. Okay. Then here is what? Here is the circuit diagram. How the solar panel actually looks like. So here is the solar panel, solar cell. Here is the solar cell. Here is the solar module. Sorry, these are the modules. So module ro ame panel ku jiba. So here is the solar module. So in the solar module there are two diodes. Okay. Here is the IT total current. Here is the A. This one is your, this diode is called blocking diode. This one and this one is called blocking diode. In the red color, these are the blocking diode, and these diodes are the bypass diode. So you have to understand what is a blocking diode and what is a bypass diode. So blocking diode means आमे जेतबेले जेमती देखिले लास्ट रे एटा जेतबेले सोलार फोटोवोल्टाइक सिस्टम आमे देखुतिले सोलार फोटोवोल्टाइक सिस्टम में कहली आमे जदी लोड गोटे लगेबा ताहले करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू द लोड. दैट मीन्स आमे करंट टा को फ्लो करबा कोठी की लोड को, लोड रे आमे जहा भी लगेछि से कोन हबो सेतिरे करंट टा फ्लो करे, किंतु it should prevent the flow of current from the load towards the सेल ओके तो सही कामटा को प्रिवेंट करने करंट फ्रॉम द लोड टुवर्ड्स द सोलार सेल वी आर यूजिंग द हियर we are using this blocking diode. So blocking diode work is it will prevent the current from the load towards the solar cell or you can say solar module. Then what is bypass diode? If a single solar module will failure, that means it will not work, then you have to use a bypass diode. That means it will bypass the power from the to the next solar module. It will not affect the total solar module, it will only affect that single solar module. So it will bypass the flow of current to the next जोटा healthy अच्छी ताकू से पास करे दबो कोटा जोटा bypass diode आमे कहूचे. So this one is your bypass diode, this one is your blocking diode. तो बेले बेले आसीबो क्वेश्चन कहा को आमे सोलार ब्लॉकिंग डायोड कहूचे बा कहा को आमे बाईपास डायोड बोली कहूचे. सो नेक्स्ट जदि आमे जिबा solar array. So this is the last one, solar array. That means a large number of interconnected solar panels known as solar PV array. तामाने if you will connect solar cell, it will form a solar module, and if you will connect solar modules, it will form a solar panel. But a large connection of interconnected solar panels will form a कौन solar array. देखो तो this is a solar panel, already seen it. This is a solar panel, this is also a solar panel. So this is very large, it is connected in a field, that means number of solar panels are interconnected. Okay, these are the interconnection of solar panel, it will form the solar array, and it is written that installed in an array field. तो गोटे बड़ जगह रे बा बड़ field रे we have to interconnected the solar panel. तो कहीं कि हमें interconnect करिबा, because if you need larger amount of power, as we all know that in case of non-renewable energy there is number of pollutions creating, there is number of effects on environment, on health. So we have to switch over to the renewable energy. That means we have to product larger amount of power from the by using the renewable energy. That means सही अधिका amount of power generate करने पे हमें single cell तो use कोई परिवार बा single solar panel we can't use because it will generate small amount of voltage. Single solar cell I have already told you that it only generate 0.5 to 0.6 volt. So एतिकी voltage तो हमें बहुत less amount of voltage, but we have to generate larger amount by maximum amount of voltage. That's why we will interconnect the solar panels in a larger field or large area to form a solar array. Okay, तो से solar array रे जो आमे सोलार पैनल को इंटरकनेक्ट कले तो सेठी से किछिटा